everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on SoundCloud. Whether you're switching emails or just updating your contact info, this is super quick and easy. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and head to soundcloud.com. Go ahead and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. By default, you'll land on the Account tab, which is exactly where we need to be. At the top, you'll see your email address listed in an editable field. Now go ahead and click inside that field. Delete your current email and type in the new email address you want to use. After you've entered your new email, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. You should see a green notification confirming that the changes were saved. But you're not done yet. Now you need to verify your new email. So, go to your inbox and check for a confirmation email from SoundCloud. Open that email and click the verification link. Once you've done that, your new email is fully linked to your SoundCloud account. One quick tip: make sure you still have access to your old email if you're switching, just in case they send a security alert or need confirmation. And that's all there is to it. You've now updated your SoundCloud email address. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll try to help you out. See you in the next video.